What looks like a regular old Julieta plant sitting here chilling is in fact the home of one of the largest walking sticks that I've ever seen. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's a monster. Holy pretty. Freaking humongous. Take a look down here. Whoa, dang. Look at that. Huh? Look at that. It's freaking amazing, dude. You can't tell whether that thing is coming or going. I'm telling you. That is really, really a big freaking creature. That is at least... Whew, it's as big as my hand. Easily as big as my hand. Let's get a little closer. Doesn't seem too concerned about me showing it. Probably doesn't think that I know what it is. That is absolutely amazing. That is one of the largest ones I've ever seen in my life. Let's hope it's not a result of Fukushima or something crazy. Let's get a side view. Sun's right there though. Here. That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. That is a big freaking bug. So next time you're outside looking around, you never know what you're going to see. I wasn't expecting to see that thing. I just happened to notice it while I was out here smoking. It's amazing. I got a butterfly here. Wow, that is incredible. That was really something. Alright, well anyways, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Anybody out there that cares about walking sticks. I know there's somebody out there. It's Alvarado.